welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious recipe that's hummus, and hummus is really easy to make at home, so let's get started. The ingredients for making the hummus are a can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans. Now this is 15-ounce can, but if you don't have canned garbanzo beans, you can always soak them and boil them, and this is how it looks. And this is the olive oil, some cloves of garlic, salt to taste, lime juice and some tahini. For garnishing a hummus, here are the ingredients. I have some olive oil, some green olives, this is sumac and cumin powder. If you don't have sumac, you can also use paprika or some red chili powder or cayenne pepper. But I'm using sumac because it gives a very delicious flavor to the hummus, and the cumin powder. So the first thing that I want to do before I make the hummus is to remove the skin of these chickpeas or garbanzo beans, because the skin doesn't taste good in our hummus. And to remove the skin, I've added some water, and I'm just going to rub all these garbanzo beans or the chickpeas very lightly so it removes all the skin. And then I'm going to throw away the skin and just use our beans or the chickpeas. Okay, so I'll just continue removing the skin a little. And I'm going to put it in a blender. Tahini. Don't add everything at once, just add little by little. So I'm just going to add about 4 spoons of tahini. Next, I'm going to add just 2 cloves of garlic for now. Some salt to taste, and the lime juice. And there's one other ingredient to make our paste or hummus really smooth, and that's olive oil. Add a lot of olive oil so our hummus is really smooth. Okay, and now I'm just going to blend all this together to make a very fine and smooth paste. And our hummus is ready. You can see how smooth the paste is. And now we are going to plate it and garnish it. Now I've transferred our hummus on this plate, and with a spoon I'm just going to make a slight hole like this. And then I'm going to garnish it with our lovely ingredients like the sumac. This gives a delicious flavor to the hummus. Add some on the sides as well. Then next goes in the cumin powder. And like I said, if you don't have sumac, you can always use paprika or any cayenne pepper or the normal red chili powder if you don't have sumac. Next, I'm going to add lots of olive oil. This gives a beautiful look and flavor to the hummus. Now this may look like a lot of olive oil, but it's actually not, because it gives a delicious flavor, and that's one of the main ingredients in the hummus. to enhance the flavor. And now I'm just putting green olives for decoration. And there you go. Our super delicious hummus is ready, and I'm going to serve it with some pita bread. And our delicious hummus looks so attractive and good, and I'm going to serve it with some pita bread. You can also serve it with some lavash bread, that's a Mediterranean bread. But right now I have the pita bread, so I'm going to serve it with the pita bread, not the lavash bread. And doesn't it look so attractive? I hope you enjoyed this super delicious and simple recipe of hummus. And if you did, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. And for more videos, tune in till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.